officially spring break. Yay! Have off of school for a whole week. And do I have any plans? No. Nothing. I gotta go to the dentist, gotta get my hair cut, I gotta get my eyebrows done, and that's the extent of my spring break plans, besides Walmart and going to yoga. I love just being able to do whatever I want and do absolutely nothing and have nothing planned. Don't get me wrong, I love a vacation, but I would hate to come back after a week in, say, Hawaii or on a cruise, and then have to go back to school. Like, I really enjoy this time to sit around and do absolutely nothing and whatever I feel like doing. Happy Tuesday from your favorite Walmart associate. Happy spring break to me. Get that money. I cannot even believe this weather. So I'm done with work. I worked a little over 5 hours. Okay, we are at our destination. I always order to go and then I can pick up in the burrito lane, but there's like no traffic and there was no line at Starbucks. I literally mobile ordered and then went on right up there to the window and they hadn't even finished making it because there was no line. It's 2 o'clock on a Tuesday. Most people are at work or they're at school. The universities and the schools that are in this town that I'm in right now, I think they have spring break next week. But as I said, we get out earlier than the other school districts in the area, randomly. I don't know why. So we got a strawberry acai with lemonade. Again, using up my Starbucks gift card. And I have this like juice mixture in my fridge that I've been meaning to make something with. And so having the Starbucks cup with the lines is just more helpful. I have the ones at home too, but I don't know. Sometimes when I have something like this, it just gets me more in the mood to make another fruity drink. I have a couple minutes to kill because I'm waiting for my food to be ready for me to pick up in the burrito lane. I worked a little over a 5-hour shift. If you work 6 hours, you have to take a lunch. It depends on the state. Some states over 5 or over 4, you have to have a lunch, but in Wisconsin, as long as you're under 6 hours, you don't have to have a lunch. You still get a 15-minute break. So I happily had my 15-minute break with a Mountain Dew and a Pop-Tart. But I didn't need to take a lunch, and I could either take a half hour or I could take an hour. So on days like Sunday where I work 7 to 4, I always take my hour lunch, and sometimes it's even longer than that. But on a day like today where I want to just work a little and then get out of there, I don't want to be wasting my time, especially on a beautiful day like today. It is 60 some degrees. I literally always get the same thing and then I just dump it in a bowl, so it doesn't look like very much because all the good stuff is on the bottom. Otherwise, if I don't dump it in, I feel like all the rice is stuck on the bottom, and this way at least I have to dig for the good stuff and it kind of gets mixed in. And I only ever eat my burrito bowl first, and then like 2 hours later I'll go back and I'll eat my double serving of chips and salsa. I've picked the yoga class that I'm going to go to. It's at 4:30, so I have about an hour and a half to chill around and take my face makeup off. I don't normally wear makeup to Walmart, but I had the time this morning, so I did. Why not, you know? Happy spring break to me. So yeah, yoga in about an hour and a half. So I'm gonna chill for a little bit and then probably go clean the kitchen or something. I've been trying to reorganize our pantry because Dan and I are just really snacky people, and for two 30-ish-year-old adults, we have too many chip cookie type snacks for just 2 of us. And here's our yoga fit. Let's go to class. Yay! Okay, we are home from yoga. I'm gonna sit down and edit a YouTube video, but this is what I do. So I just dump the salsa. Since I get 2 chips, I get 2 things of salsa. So then I just dump it in a bowl. And I probably eat 2 cups of salsa worth with just 1 chip, which is fine. I just buy the container at Festival. Walmart has the same thing too, but the Festival one is like a better chop job, whereas the Walmart one is like bigger chunks. I prefer my stuff to be a little chunkier and not sliced. And I did change because I am going to go to the gym later. So actual running shorts, because we'll probably do 12:3:30 and that's it. And watch Avatar: The Last Airbender. I actually own all of the original Avatar: The Last Airbender on DVD, but I have been watching it on, I think it's Paramount Plus maybe, or Peacock, one of those. Anyways, I watched that at the gym. 8:30 at night, but let's make some pasta. Why not? Overall, the ravioli and pasta dishes from HelloFresh are my favorite. The actual ravioli itself is good. I don't really enjoy the zucchini and the tomato like paired with it. So I'm just gonna do the pasta, and then I'm gonna do like the sour cream Parmesan cheese for like the sauce. So like just ravioli and sauce with no little vegetable add-ins. Basically you just boil water, put your ravioli in there. When the ravioli is right to the top, then you put it in here, you got all your sauces, and you just wait for it all to cook. Cream soda, ravioli. The only thing that would be better is if my living room had a TV, but you know, one thing at a time. Happy Wednesday, back at Walmart. Are we shocked? No. So it's a little bit after 8, so I'm planning on working a little bit before 2. Because I need to get to school at 2:30 to prepare for the interview and like look at the resumes and stuff like that. So that'll be exciting. This is it's spring break, but we're on an interview team. And then those are the shorts I'm going to put on afterwards. They're super cute. They're Love and Sports brand, and I love the waistband. Wish I was wearing shorts right now because it's 70 degrees out. And while, yes, they're nice looking joggers, I do call them my professional joggers. That wouldn't fly some places, but my school is very chill. And I'm very thankful to work in a chill place, which reflects my awesome chill personality. I did have a thought though. It hasn't been that warm this year, and generally it does get really warm in the school when the outside is really warm. So let's put a school shirt on underneath. I'm totally fine with wearing my hot pink, but like right now in my house, I'm kind of warm. So I probably will be warm too. So school shirt for the win. And if I do end up wearing it, this is the school shirt that the principal designed herself. So she would probably appreciate it if I was wearing that, because it's honestly not something that I wear very often. Decided I would bring my school bag because it's got my badge in it and my shorts, and I don't want to be carrying a pair of shorts in. And I made a little peanut butter sandwich. The funny thing about these is I bought these because of the cute lids they had, and then the lids don't actually work. And so now Dan and I just use them as very convenient carrying bowls. Obviously I got the iced turtle mocha. I've had the cooler before, but I don't know. I just like the iced version the best out of all of them.
Are you a purchaser with us?
I have the mobile order for Monica.
Perfect. You can go ahead and pull it up.
Thank you. And I realized that I say before I say I have the mobile order for Monica everywhere I go, but I can't stop saying Oh, hey, Caribou. I am planning on doing my Unique Learning System March printing, even though it's obviously already March. I'm on spring break. That's just how the program's been falling for me, that I don't start the new unit until a week or two after that initial month has started. And now it'll be even later after spring break. I think ever since Christmas break, we've been like a week after when I would normally start. So normally I would try to start on like the 3rd of the month, but now it's more like the 8th of the month, and it'll be even later now. So I'm gonna do my What I Print for March Unique Learning System video after I'm done with all of the interview stuff, and I'll probably just pick you up again when I'm in the car. Interview done, all great, all dandy, Unique Learning System video done, check mark. However, it's like 4:45. My yoga class is at 5:30, and I am not wearing yoga appropriate bottoms. So we gotta go home and change to get my yoga mat, because I do not borrow Yoga Mat Studio mat. Oh no, I'd rather cancel the class than borrow a mat. Because I don't know, to me that's just asking for like ringworm or something. Does that make me a snob? I just noticed, I swear my favorite color is not yellow. Maybe I need a yellow water to complete the ensemble. Shopping while hungry is such a bad decision. Like, do I want cereal for dinner? Do I want plain salsa? Am I gonna have mac and cheese? Superior kind. And one of my friends is obsessed with these, so I figured I would try them. But what did I actually need? Salsa, peanut butter, and milk, and we haven't found milk yet. I took my hair tie out, so I don't know, my hair looks so much better when it's in a little pony or when I have a headband on. Otherwise it's not a good look. But I always have a pony in or a hair tie on when I'm out in public, but I took it out because I'm kind of getting like a hair headache. Anywho, for dinner, I decided on Wednesdays they have $5 sushi, so this is the crunchy California. Love that kind. Do not like wasabi. I'm also gonna do a little smoothie, so strawberry, banana, marshmallow protein powder, my favorite, and a little chobani. So after I've cut them and washed them, I'll usually do like a larger portion with a whole banana and then the protein powder, and then I'll leave a smaller portion in a little, I don't know, individual serving, and I'll have that in the morning just because I've already prepped it, and it's not something I do all the time. But on spring break, I have plenty of time. Glass straw. Voila, 8 o'clock. Just Just me, my strawberry mini wheats, and some YouTube. So Dan told me that he didn't care what kind of curtains I bought. These came with the house, so gosh knows how old they are. And of course I got some shiny one. There we go, much better. Just a little window covering, but it still lets in the life. Perfect. We've had a productive day cleaning at home. I'm gonna make a little cactus water. You can get this at Walmart in the juice aisle. It's a non-refrigerated item, so don't be looking in the refrigerated item. So this is a 40-ounce Hydro Peak. I like to do about half of it filled with the water. Can't do it one-handed. And then we'll do a little bit of blue raspberry. And normally I would say ice to the top, but apparently my ice game is lacking and I need to add some water. Alas. Okay, we are at school now. The floors are all nice and shiny in our gym, and I say gym lightly because our gym is not even big enough that you can fit a full-size volleyball court in here. So we have this beautiful stick that we use. It's a curtain rod and a ruler taped together to judge if the net is high enough, because we don't have normal nets either. We have hooks on the wall that we attach it to. So it's a bit of a guessing game to see if you can get it to the right height. And we are here today because we are putting lines on the floor to show where a volleyball court would be. Because we don't have that. Basically the half court line right here is like your standard 3-point shot. It's a small gym, but we love our school. So yeah, obviously it's not tall enough. Maybe when we do serving practice, I'll just stand in the middle and hold up the net. Shout out to the creator of Pizza Hut drive-thrus. Holla for not having to get out of your car and not having to pay a delivery fee.